there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Oh, I'm getting them now. Fucking gnarly. Yeah! Woo! Next to the Maltese falcon, and this is a rare thing to come this close. They're getting a whole truckload of diesel, and they have a 19-man crew to run this sucker. Look at the sails packed in there. So the sails come out of the track and out, and they cover this whole. We were sailing hard today on a broad reach. I was doing about 8 knots. Yeah. Checked with him. I said, "Hey, I wasn't going to hit you," and he kind of giggled about it. But so I was probably 100 yards away. We could have turned upwind or downwind. You should look up Maltese falcon on the internet. This is how it's put together. They're going to Croatia next for a charter. Pulleys, they crank out the sails. So you can see there's 2 there, 1 there, there. Portals. Looks like there's just storage up in these portals. We happened in Albania. I was in Greece. They wouldn't let me get this close. In Albania, I happened to have access to the dock because Grateful, my boat, is just right out here, and so I have access to here. That's how they let me get in and out of the country to my boat. Looks like Theodore, the captain, is talking. I'd like to hear what he's saying.
So you basically pick up different people along the way? Yeah. So you'll be on here for how many months then?
How many months? Usually for 8-9 months.
8 or 9 months, wow. No, I mean, what an amazing boat.
Can I ask you how fast it cruises when it's full sail?
What?
How fast do you cruise?
How fast? We get the fastest we have made ever. It was 24 knots.
How much wind?
The wind it was 19 knots.
And when you're cruising, motoring, how fast were you going today?
17, 18. It's 3,000 horsepower
Each? How many engines? 2. The big old crew, the deckhands. So basically what he was saying is that sometimes the sails do foul and they got to send somebody up there to fix them. It costs $440,000 a week to rent it. We'll probably go to the Caribbean this winter. You know, in this sucker, you're going to cross the Atlantic in a week. What a great sled. But a 19-man crew, man, you got to feed a lot of people. I was working on a boat. It was 75 foot. This is 300 foot, and it was just a big aluminum. I worked on when I was this was 30 years ago. I was a crew, one of a 15-man crew on a 75 foot race yacht around Australia. And it was hard to feed 15 people out of that boat. I mean, packing everything in, a lot of mouths to feed. I can only imagine on this. So they have 30 people, 29, 19, 29, 30, 31, 31 people. That's a lot of people to manage running around. Gotta know what you're doing. Look at those on the windows. The window washers, just for example, right? As if. Yeah, very lucky to be able to see this thing here today. Of course, it's black. Okay, everybody. Talk to you later.